both of them were actually quite friendly, and I think in the first meetup, we actually...
What?
I look at you, I cannot hear. My name is Joshua.
My name is Sofia.
This is our 4-room BTO flat at Toa Payoh. This is basically a cozy house that we envision, and this is how we want to live in. So our renovation cost is about 60k. It took about 3 months to complete. During the renovation, Nicholas and Brendon actually put in a lot of work into understanding what we really want, and of course there are changes along the way. These changes actually has brought the bond between me and my IDs closer to really fulfill the dreams of what we really want in our house. I think the whole process of the renovation has been nothing but great. So we were actually afraid that we might encounter a lot of issues during the renovation. Of course, I think a lot of renovations are bound to have hiccups. But I think Nicholas and Brendon was there to help ease all these issues and help out with a lot of things. I think one of the takeaways here is that you really need to find an ID and put in trust in the both of them. For me, it's the both of them. Trust that they will just do a good job for you and they are aligned with you.
From the very beginning, we knew we wanted an open house concept. We wanted a big living room, and we like to host our friends. So that's the kind of concept that we went for, more bright and airy.
Yeah, I think one of the main things that we think about is how can we make our space bigger and kind of modular as well. So one of the concepts that we thought of is actually to switch up the conventional living space, and then as well as moving our work desk, putting it into the living room as well. So this coexists where we work as well as watch the TV while enjoying ourselves as well. Especially during work from home days, right? What I do on a typical day, in the morning, I actually set a timer. So my house is actually a smart home house. So I actually set a timer every day to open my curtains at 7:30 AM. So what it does is that it opens the curtain, then I will actually naturally wake up. So when I wake up, the first thing I'll do is go to the kitchen, grab some drinks, and freshen up myself, and then get ready for breakfast as well. Then back to the living room. When we actually in the living room, the space is actually very modular, so it's actually very convenient as well. So our dining table is actually next to our work desk. So once we eat finish, we can actually just go back to work and just continue working. Yeah. So I think what does a home really means to me is actually safe haven, a safe space. So coming home, feeling safe, feeling cozy with your loved ones and enjoying time with our loved ones. I think one of the memorable moments, although we just moved in for almost a month, both of us having a long day at work, we sat at this exact dining table with this skylight and we watched the sunset while eating our dinner. The day was long, it was exhausting, but it was that kind of feeling when you come home and you feel safe and warm with your family members.
A home to me is somewhere where we can relax, unwind, chill and be myself, and have my own space to do my own things, explore and cook different recipes.